Before there were cities, before there were oceans, before there was even a planet called Earth, there was only darkness, a vast emptiness, stretching endlessly in all directions. No time, no life, no sound, just silence. And yet, within that silence, something extraordinary was waiting to begin. Approximately 13.8 billion years ago, everything changed in an instant. The Big Bang unleashed unimaginable energy, expanding the cosmos from a single point to the universe we know today. From that explosion, particles of matter collided, coalesced, and formed the first stars. Inside these ancient stars, elements were forged. Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, elements that would one day become the water we drink, the air we breathe, and the very bones of life itself. Imagine atoms forged in dying stars traveling across the universe for billions of years, finally coming together to create planets, and eventually, us. We are, in a very real sense, children of the stars. Around 4.5 billion years ago, in a quiet corner of the Milky Way, a small planet formed, Earth. But it was a violent world. Rivers of molten lava covered its surface. Meteors rained down endlessly. Volcanic eruptions turned the sky into a glowing inferno. Yet, slowly, inexorably, the planet began to cool. Rain fell, not for days, but for thousands of years, collecting in basins, forming the first oceans. Lightning streaked through the stormy skies, and the first whispers of life began in these primordial waters. And within these oceans, life would take its first tentative steps. Somewhere in the warm, shallow seas, molecules began to collide, combine, and transform. Amino acids, the building blocks of life, began to assemble spontaneously. For millions of years, these molecules danced in the ocean currents until the first self-replicating organisms emerged. Tiny, invisible to the naked eye, single-celled organisms. They were simple, yet miraculous. Over billions of years, these microorganisms changed the Earth. They produced oxygen, slowly transforming the atmosphere. Without them, there would be no sky to breathe, no forests to walk in, no humans to tell this story. Life had begun, but evolution was only starting. Tiny genetic changes, almost invisible, accumulated over millennia. Some organisms learned to harness sunlight. Others developed ways to move, hunt, and survive. Those that adapted thrived. Those that did not disappeared. Slowly, life became more complex. Cells joined to form tissues, tissues to form organs, organs to form creatures capable of movement, sight, and thought. From the simplest bacteria to the first fish, evolution was crafting life in endless, unpredictable forms. Every adaptation, every mutation, was a step closer to the creatures that would one day walk on land, and eventually, think like humans. About 540 million years ago, life exploded. The Cambrian Explosion. The oceans became alive with creatures of unimaginable variety. Shelled creatures, swimming predators, the first eyes. Life was suddenly visible in ways it had never been before. Every new adaptation, a triumph of survival. Every new creature, a testament to the power of evolution. The oceans teemed with life, and some of these creatures would become the ancestors of every land-dwelling animal we know today. But before we dive any deeper, if you like this type of content, please remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get the newest and latest content from Cyvera Ultimate. Eventually, life left the oceans. Plants, the pioneers of the land, spread across barren continents. Slowly, they transformed the planet, creating soil, shade, and oxygen-rich air. Insects followed, then amphibians, crawling from the water to explore new worlds. Reptiles came next, and forests flourished. The Earth was alive in ways that no one, not even the stars, had ever imagined. Life was learning, evolving, preparing for something extraordinary: mammals, and eventually, humans. Then came the age of dinosaurs. For more than 160 million years, they dominated the planet. Giant predators, enormous herbivores, life as we had never seen it before. But nothing lasts forever. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck the Earth. Fires, earthquakes, and a sky blackened with dust. Most dinosaurs vanished, and in the shadows, small mammals began to thrive. With the giants gone, mammals spread across every corner of the Earth. Some grew large, some stayed small. All were adapting. Among them, primates appeared. Agile, intelligent, curious. They learned to use tools. They discovered cooperation. They faced predators, harsh climates, and constant challenges, and survived. Over millions of years, one line of primates would stand upright, their brains growing larger, their journey leading to humans. Around 6 million years ago, in Africa, something remarkable happened. Early hominins began walking on two legs, their hands free, their brains growing. Fire was discovered, tools were crafted, language began to emerge. Simple at first, but powerful. These early humans explored, hunted, and survived against impossible odds. They were clever, resourceful, and endlessly curious. Around 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens appeared, the wise humans. They painted, they sang, they told stories. They spread across deserts, forests, and ice. Humanity was no longer just survival. It was imagination, creativity, and culture. From stardust to oceans, to ancient forests, to modern cities, the journey of humanity is one of the most extraordinary stories the universe has ever witnessed. And yet, our story is far from over. Every discovery, every idea, every generation adds a new chapter. Because the universe did not just create stars, it created something capable of understanding them. It created us.